Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel Professional Noobs. In this new video we are going to watch about the tricks how you can make a maximum quality and a maximum shape of gems. How you can get that. We are going to watch out those things. So please, if you are new to the channel, subscribe this channel, share this video to all your friends and help us reach 1k subscriber before the end of this week. And also guys, thank you for supporting us, and as you can see we have got a permanent screen nameplate and avatar frame with your support. Keep supporting like this and watch the video till end. Okay, so let's watch out how what you need to do. As you can see, if you will directly click on dig, you will get some random quality, but if you will click this place, you have a greater chance to get a higher shape of the this gems. Let's try it. Okay, I will click here and see it progresses. Again it progresses and again it progresses. uh, as you can see, I have got a bigger quality gems, however it was somehow lower type, and you can see I have got a bigger gems too. Moreover, if I click on dig, then the progress chance here is somehow low compared to the upper one. However, if you are going on clicking here, then you have a more probability of reaching till the maximum level of hexagon shape. It would not fail much time here. And also guys, how was your World Cup match today? Because this is the last World Cup test match, as you can see already. And if you want to watch any team match, any of your favorite team match, you can just contact me through any means, my WeChat, WhatsApp, or any other thing. So as you can see, you can watch any of these matches. I have currently 3 DC tickets through which I can show you the whatever match you like. So please guys, subscribe our channel, not for those type only but also for this type of DC World Cup matches. And in my next video I will show you how you can get this 150 cumulatively evolving equipments just by using 2 gold evolution stone. That will be a massive trick, and it can help not only you to increase your equipment power, but also it can help you in different ways. We will talk more about those things in my next video guys, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to all your friends. Thank you guys.